What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with the video. We are here at the warehouse. We are doing a part 2 of the $105,000 storage units. Time to unbox it, and we actually found a bunch more jewelry sitting up there. Literally 50 plus pieces he found, all brand new in the boxes, came with the receipts, and I think the most expensive piece was like $700 she spent on it. I'll show you that later on in the video. We have all of this that we're going through right now. We've gone through a bunch, sold a bunch in the past few weeks, and we still have a lot more to go through. What is this? Stuff like this, oh my goodness, look at that. Tatcha, brand new in the box, just never touched. She bought it, she let it sit. I never heard of Tatcha before.
It's 200 bucks.
But it's, yeah, it's like $200.
It's 149 to 250 jacket right there. Feel it. Ooh, what's that box for?
Melissa McCarthy, what is it?
I think it's a jacket, Michael.
$146 she spent on this stuff.
Have you mentioned to them that we have made our money back and we are almost at, we're not quite at double, but we see double our money?
This one was the 4-piece Purity Made Simple Auto Delivery. She had this on auto delivery. She didn't even buy it herself. She spent 93 bucks on it though. We'll probably get like 40 bucks at least for the 4-piece set. A bunch of different decorative pieces like this. This lady did get a bunch of candles. She definitely did get a bunch of candles. We should be able to easily get 20 to 30 bucks for that as well. More Tatcha stuff. Deep hydration lifting mask, revitalizing eye mask. So yeah, this lady bought a lot of beauty products, a lot of anti-aging products. She really did not want to look like she was aging at all.
Can I tell you something? No one wants to look like they're aging.
Some sort of decorations. What are these, like little paper weights? What are these? Some sort of weights, I don't know. This is not a toy for decorative purposes only. A puzzle box, Carver Dans. Every puzzle box contains a removable lock pin. Okay, so I've definitely never seen anything like this in the QVC units. Looks like it looks like they were buying some random stuff on top of the daily philosophy and stuff that she bought. All you do is just pick that up, go like that, and then it's just open. It's not like you're gonna fit much in there. It's a very small box. It's for like jewelry, I guess. I think this is also gonna be a Christmas decoration. It says on the side, gold and silver presents. That's what I thought. I knew it'd be some Christmas decorations. They're just 3 little silver and gold presents. They all illuminate. Look at that, they got the little batteries at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, like small, medium, large. Easy 30 bucks, I feel like, on those. Neon glow twister tracks. There's no wrong way to build it. Okay, that's pretty dope. She's literally just buying anything. These QVC ladies are crazy. Like, why do you need this? In what world do you need to see them buy this? I guess maybe like a little nephew or something needed a present. Bought a little racetrack and just never left the box. Look at that. Then she got the add-on for it. Some spherical light ups. 3 little light up, crystally typed up balls. It doesn't matter to her. She never even set up anything like this, but she just liked to have them. I really don't have any understanding of like why she bought stuff like this and just never used it. Like, it's not like stuff like this is going up in value. As soon as you buy it, I'm pretty sure it's probably lost a little bit of its value. So like, why would she just spam buy all this if she's not even gonna set it up? Every single box we have to open up like this too. It's a little bit of a pain, but it's also good because, you know, we're the first people to open it. Like, that's how you know you are, and you know it's brand new. This is definitely a Valerie Parhill piece, right? Like, there's no way. I haven't seen the Valerie Parhill little sticker thing that's always in there, but this 100% has to be. Like, maybe like Christmas ornaments, I guess. Look at, they have the little Christmas string, I think. 20 of these little, I guess Christmas ornaments is the best way to put it. They have this little string to hang on your tree, but you can hang them anywhere, to be honest. Like, they're just cool to hang around your house, I guess. This is our pile of clothes, guys. We had a bunch of clothes. If you guys watched the first time of us actually picking up the units, you guys saw the piles on piles on piles of the bags of clothes we got. It's kind of outrageous how much clothing she bought. I wish she wasn't a 3X, like maybe a 1 or 2X would have been better. And then she also bought stuff like this. I mean, she was prepared for a Christmas gifting, you know? Gift bag and gift tag with inserted drawings. These are our least favorite thing to find. It's not like we're about to go slinging these, right? We love the It makeup as well. She bought a bunch of It makeup. The Celebration Foundation, that's her favorite thing ever. I don't know what the Celebration Foundation is, but oh my goodness. She bought like 1 million pieces of this, the same exact one. Maybe she bought like some medium shade and light shade ones, but they're all Celebration Foundation, full coverage, anti-aging, hydrating power foundation. How do you guys like the Pirate's little break station? He's got his little N64, 4 controllers. He's trying to collect every N64 game there is. I'm not really sure what motivated him to do all that. He got this one game with the N64. Now he's really just trying to get them all. Can somebody in the comments tell me how much it would cost below to buy every N64 game?
It's money right there. Giving Grace spray fragrance that's minimum $30.
He just gave me this teeth whitener, guys. He told me I needed it. Does it even work?
I'm going to find out. Look at all this makeup, Michael. You saw this coming out of here?
It's a makeup box?
Yeah. Well, I was hoping it was
easy.
jewelry.
Is that was like $50 right there? Easy.
We got
That's too much.
That might be a hit right there.
We gotta consult our makeup specialist here.
It's probably at least 30, right?
These are probably a good 25 a pop.
Nice little brush. Probably get at least $5-10 in this, right? Ladies, let me know in the comments, how much would you pay for a single brush like this? I think we easily get $5 at least on
This one opened up on us right here.
Let me know in the comments.
Hey, what is that, Michael? Come on, jewelry.
It's probably like some anti-aging stuff. It was not, okay. It's not anti-aging stuff. We've got the frost guard bag, okay. Keep stuff cool, maybe. Philosophy, we got the 24-ounce canned citrus peel gel. We got it in the box like that, I never see that. Candid citrus peel shampoo shower gel bubble bath. I've never seen this flavor, but I think all 3 are the same thing. This should be easy $20-25 sale, sometimes even more. Yeah, creme brulee has got to smell decent, right? Like, come on now. Easy $30 right there. There's 2 of those. Honestly, I would say almost $100 just right there in that box. The only type of decoration she really bought was like this weird old, like, it's not bad looking, but it has all these, like, I don't want to say it's cheap glitter, but like it falls off really fast. Look, I just touched it and all that came on my finger. It's not really the best decoration that she could have bought, but they're not bad. I think we could easily get like $20 for something like this. The little gingerbread man and woman. She bought boxes like this. Look at the whole box is full of shoes. Mainly cheaper brands like Easy Street, stuff like this. I don't really know if they're too expensive. We never really found too many Uggs with her. She had a couple. She definitely had a couple. Not like 60 plus, but like at least 10 we found. This is all the jewelry that we found. Over 50 pieces of jewelry. I think this is like all solid gold over there. And then we just have like some costume jewelry, silver of course. A bunch of nice jewelry we found. Luckily he found it because like I said, he was a little bit hesitant on this whole buy because he's gonna like double make, like it's gonna be a hard double his money. But I mean, this definitely made it look a little more promising. We will be selling all this stuff for $1 start on our auction coming up soon. We got a bunch of nice stuff. Some rings. Imagine that was real. I mean like real with like diamonds. Woo, look at that. Nice purdy ring. And that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We are finally done with the QVC stuff. We're done with Mary. Now we're done with Brenda. The QVC chapter in our life is done with. For now. We've now found 2 ladies that bought a bunch of QVC stuff. So there has to be more, right? Happy holidays, everybody. By the time I upload this, it should be like Christmas Eve. It should be Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. Either way, Merry Christmas, everybody. Hopefully you guys all have a great holidays. Put a heart in the comments if you made it this far. Like always, we like to see who did it. And peace out.